Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to learn how to draw and color the playground slide. Start with ladder. Draw two parallel lines like these. A curved line. Same here. Again we draw two parallel lines like these. Now draw two straight lines connecting these two ladder sides. These are the steps like these. Now we draw the slide bottom. Very good. Great job. Now draw the sport legs. Your drawing is ready. Let's color. First we use brown color for the sport legs like these. Next we use parrot color. For the slide path, try to stay inside the lines. Great job. Don't cross the lines. And color in one direction to make it neat. Very good. Then we use pink color for the slide border. Don't cross the lines. Very good. You did it very well. Then we use red color for the long sides of your ladder like these. Try to stay within the black lines. Very good. Same here. That's good. In the last we use sky blue color for the steps. Very good. Done. And there you have it. Our colorful and fun playground slide is ready. Allah Hafiz.